Guys, let's do today easy Arabic tiramisu biscuit pudding. Let's go. Very quick recipe. You can mix within 5 minutes. Guys, let's start the recipe. So instead of whipping cream, I'm used Dream whip powder. So anybody can use this one. So first, I'm gonna put milk. Dream whipping powder. So all the ingredients I will write down in description as quantity. And this is cream cheese, so you can use kiri cheese, or if not, Philadelphia. This is condensed milk. And I have Nestle cream, 1 tin. Okay, let's mix 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, during the cream mixing, we're gonna make coffee mixture. This is Nescafe and milk. And this is some hot water. Don't worry, I will write down the description all the ingredients by quantity. So we're gonna use Alcar biscuit for tiramisu, so we're gonna soak. Okay guys, you can see the cream already 4 minutes finished. Look at this. So it's not too watery, it's not too hard. Look at this. Wow, it's a creamy. Very nice. Super. Let's make the pudding. So cream is ready, Nescafe is ready. So biscuit I'm gonna soak for the base. We'll do 2 layer. Soak nicely. We will put 2 layers of biscuit. So on this way, so you will understand 2 layers. So okay, sir. So this is the second layer. Okay guys, now we're going to put cream layer. It's scale. So biscuit almost 200 gram. This is for you guys in Ramadan. You can enjoy with your family. Anybody can make at home. This is nice Tiramisu biscuit pudding. I will keep in refrigerator few minutes, almost 10-15 minutes. So when it's get ready, we're gonna for second layer. Already set the cream, so we can go for second layer. Wow, see, it's not moving. Okay, this one also we will put 2 layers of biscuit. No problem, I will show you. Okay, in this way. We'll finish. Okay guys, we have finished almost 2 layers, so I will take out my cheese mixture. So now we're going to cover second layer. Make one level. So you need to keep refrigerator almost 6 hours to get good taste. So after 6 hours we're gonna have nice Arabic biscuit tiramisu pudding, so you can enjoy your iftar. Let's see after 6 hours. So already finished 6 hours, so I'm gonna use hot chocolate powder. You can use even cocoa powder, no problem. So very lightly, don't put too much. So I'm going to divide the portion. Wow, it's very soft and creamy. Wow. Wow, look at this. can see very creamy. Wow, look at this. Very nice. It's better than tiramisu.